What is going on, YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be doing a review of the floor mats for the 2020 to 2025 Tellurides. This is the wife's car, so we're going to upgrade her mats. I put the Lasfit on the Tacoma, and I really love how they fit. So we got a set for the Telluride. We're going to open the box, do an unboxing, and then install them in the car. This is for all 3 rows and the trunk, so this is like the full set. So let's put them in and let's see how they look. All right, so I have all of them laying down here. They look really nice. They have the little spikes on the bottom, so that way they don't move around, and they will go into the factory clip that's in the car. So these look nice. And then you got for the back seat, the 3rd row. Sometimes these mats come folded and you gotta let them sit in the sun. These are not that bad. I'm sure that'll settle. But if yours comes like that with a flap like sticking up, let it sit in the sun and it'll take its shape. But it looks really nice. And it has the cutout for the seat, because the seat folds for the 3rd row. And that was one of the complaints with the mat that's in there. I actually had to cut it. So let's throw them on, see how they look. All right, let's see how she fits. Gonna line up turn this straight to line up with the factory mount. And then just push it in, clips right in, clips right in. That fits perfect. It's a little high over here, but again, these come kind of bent. Once you let these warm up, they'll take the shape. But other than that, let's take it up and mount here and look close. That's perfect. Fits very nice. Let's put the other side in. All right, we'll put this side in. Perfect fit. So these are nice and thick. These are nice because you can come in here, especially in New England where we live. You can come in here with snowy boots, muddy boots, and it'll literally just hold everything. You pull it out, you pressure wash it, or you just hose it, put it right back in the car. So these are awesome because they hold all the dirt and all the mud and snow and stuff. So very nice. Let's do the back seat, the 3rd row, and then the trunk. All right, 2nd row looks really good. Again, perfect fit. These are nice and thick too, which I like. They're not like the super thin ones. So honestly, compared to WeatherTech, which I do have in my Audi S4, these are just as good, and they're like half the price, especially for this, because this is literally 4 sets. It's front, rear, 3rd row, and trunk. If you price them out, I'm not talking crap about WeatherTech, but if you price it out through WeatherTech to get all these mats through them, it's literally more than double the price. So just keep that in mind. All right, so back here also fits perfect. These don't have the factory studs coming out, but it does cover everything, including the center, and folds down, so it's like literally covered. Especially most people that have these have kids, as you can see here, car seats, so food drops everywhere. You just literally just pull them out and just wash them and put them back in, so it keeps your car a little cleaner. So all we got to do next is the trunk mat, and we'll do the conclusion. All right, so this is a trunk cargo area mat. Again, anything that's bigger than the box that's folded needs some time to take its shape. So something like that, once it gets warm out, once the car gets nice and hot inside, it will settle and it'll fit extra perfect. But as you can see, for the price, this thing fits awesome, nice and thick, easy to clean. You really can't go wrong. And I do have a coupon for you guys, 20% off, which I'll put on the screen right now. So if you want to order some mats for whatever car you have, 20% off is on the whole order. So you can order mats for the whole family and it'll be 20% off the whole order, not just one item. So take advantage out of that. And yeah, so wife looked at them, she loved them. So I guess we'll be keeping them for a while. We'll do a review later on, see how they're holding up. But as of now, the first impressions is they're awesome for the price. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.